Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pet Barbecue. On today's video, we're going to see how hot and how fast we can smoke a turkey. Stay tuned. Are you awake yet? All right, let's put our gloves on. You guys know that I love my Clean Space gloves. These are the exact same gloves that I use on my food truck, and I gotta tell you, these are the absolute best gloves that I've used. Check out the link below and get yourself a nice discount and order a few cases of this. All right, so here's our 14-pound turkey. I'm just simply drying out the surface. That way our skin can get nice and crispy. Now I am going to be removing some of this excess skin. The skin that they used to tuck in the legs, I'm going to take that off. All right, just grab a sharp knife and remove this excess skin right here. That's no good. And also, right here where the neck goes, all this extra skin, just take that off. You want to leave some of it on there, but all that loose skin, you definitely want to take it off. So since we are going to be smoking this hot and fast, I do want to put some rub right in between the skin and the meat. That way that meat's got some really nice flavor as well. All right, so I want to stand the turkey up on its neck, separate the skin from the breast meat, and I'm going to be using this Yoder Smokers chicken rub to rub this entire turkey, and to add some of that rub right in between the skin and the breast meat. Add enough of it. Get your hands in there and spread that rub. I'm also going to add enough rub to the cavity of the turkey and rub it down. All right, let's flip the bird and season the backside. So I am going to be smoking this turkey at 600 degrees on my Yoder YS 1500. If you have a YS 480 or a YS 640, you can smoke at that same temperature. And if you don't have a Yoder, well, just do it at the highest temperature that your smoker will go to. But I know that the Yoders will easily go to 700 degrees. But on today's cook, we're only going to be using 600 degrees. All right, season the top of the breast. Make sure you season the armpit of that turkey. All right, I'm going to tuck these wings under the turkey. Real simple process. Just grab the wing and twist it, and it will fold right under that turkey breast. Just like that. The other thing I am going to be doing is I'm going to truss the legs. Just tie a double knot just to hold them together. Now you don't have to truss your legs, but in my experience, when you smoke a turkey at a really high temperature, the legs will want to separate from the body of the turkey, and I don't want that. I want to try to keep this baby whole. All right, I'm just going to touch this bird up a little bit, and we'll see you guys outside. Stay tuned. All right, so we're outside at my Yoder YS 1500, and I do have it set at 500 degrees. That is the maximum temp on the YS 1500. So you're probably asking yourself, well, how are we going to get to 600 degrees? Well, just make sure you open your damper 100% of the way. And right now we are running at 589 degrees, okay? Obviously with the damper open, you have a flame on the left side of the smoker, and it will carry over to the right side. So now let's open up the smoker. Now if you have a 640, you can easily run your smoker at 600 degrees. But the 1500, the maximum temp is 500 degrees. But again, if you open that damper, you see that flame shooting up right there? That will get you the 600 degrees that you want. Now you're gonna have to adjust your damper because I went over 600 degrees just a little bit, just to make sure you maintain that 600 degree temperature. All All right, so I'm going to pull out the top shelf because we will not be using it today. And here is our beautiful bird. Check out that seasoning. Is that pretty or what? We're going to start with the thighs and legs on the left side. And I will be rotating this turkey every 15 minutes, okay, because this is really hot. All right, I'm going to put the probe right in the middle of the breast. Right there. I'm going to close this door, and we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look at this turkey. And I'm going to go ahead and spin it. Just like that. So far, so good. I'm going to let this smoke for another 15 minutes, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so it's been another 15 minutes. Total cook time is 30 minutes. Oh man, this bad boy is cooking really fast. It's got a really nice color. I'm going to spin it for another 15 minutes. Just watch that probe wire. Make sure it doesn't burn over the open flame there. All right, we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so another 15 minutes. Total cook time 45 minutes. Let's take a look at this bird. Oh man. All right, it is starting to get a little bit dark out here, and so is the bird, as you can see. So I'm going to spin it one more time for another 15 minutes. And by the way, the internal temperature is 150 degrees on the turkey. So I think we can pull this off in about an hour, or maybe even a little bit less. I'm gonna let this smoke for 15 minutes in this position. I'm gonna go melt some butter, and I'll bring you guys right back. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 1 hour. Let's take a look at our turkey. Oh yes, beautiful color, okay, let me tell you. It's a little dark, but I'm liking it. Now the breast has already hit 165 degrees internal. Let me just check the thigh. All right, so we're at 160 on the thigh. Yeah, 160. Let me check this other one here. That one's at 163. So I'm gonna give this a few more minutes. All right, so I did melt down 1 stick of butter. Now be careful because we have an open flame on the bottom. Be prepared for a flare up. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but I'm just gonna drizzle some of this butter on top of the turkey. I gotta tell you, this bird is looking absolutely delicious. I'm gonna give this probably 5 minutes. Let the thighs come up to about 170 degrees. Then I'll see you guys inside. Stay tuned. All right, so the turkey is ready, and the total cook time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now I have had the turkey resting for about 15 minutes. And check this baby out. Really nice color. Let's slice into it. Right here on that breast. That skin is looking mighty fine as well. Let's get a slice. Look at that. Still really hot. You can see the steam coming off the surface. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Oh yes. This is almost perfect. Juicy and quick. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? Look at that. Hopefully the juiciness is coming out on that camera. But man, it smells absolutely amazing. Let's give it a try and see how we did. All right, let's give this hot and fast turkey a try. It smells absolutely delicious. Here we go. So good. You know what? This Yoder Smoker's chicken rub is legit. Has a little bit of sweetness. So good. Check out this skin. Got some really nice texture. It's not like super crispy, but it's crispy. And check it out. It's juicy. It's dripping. Oh man, hopefully the camera caught that. Gonna let my daughter try a little piece and see what she thinks. What do you think, Mama? Good? That rub. That skin is perfect. Gonna try a little piece of that dark meat from the leg. Oh yeah. So here are my thoughts on this hot and fast turkey. Why cook a turkey or smoke a turkey in 3 or 4 hours when you can do it in an hour and 10 minutes? This is absolutely delicious. Now just a quick reminder that if you own a YS1500, the maximum temperature is 500 degrees, but open up that hatch and you will get close to 600 degrees like I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this hot and fast turkey video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.